Cerakote sent me this ceramic glass coat protectant in exchange for my honest review. So in this particular package here comes with some protective gloves, microfiber towel, and several of these packets with ceramic glass coat. So looks like 4 packets, and I believe this will be enough to do 2 windshields. I think it takes 2 per windshield. They also have a little instruction card. Their website is very good. They also use these QR codes that you can scan, and it'll bring up written instructions or an instructional video and on how to apply it. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you apply this is to wash and dry your windshield so that you're working with clean glass. An optional step, if you wanted to use a clay bar on your glass to really decontaminate, you could do that, but that is optional. So we're going to go ahead and apply this to our 2021 Honda Ridgeline. I had put a different glass sealant on it many months ago, but it's of no effect now. It's not working at all, so I'm in need of some protection on there. So we're going to see how this goes. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to put this on in what's called a crosshatch pattern, where you can either, one way you go like up and down, and then we're going to do that, and then we'll use one cloth to go up and down, and then we'll go side to side. And instead of going one cloth all the way, I'm just gonna use one cloth per side so that I don't have to move the ladder as many times. So I'm just gonna start with opening one of these cloths. I've got the gloves on because what I'm grabbing has, chemical applied to this. I'm gonna unfold it to this size. And so I'm just going to start at this edge, and I'm going to go up and down. And even though you may not pick it up on camera, you can tell where you've been because it's wet. So you can see the contrast between the dry window and the wet window. You can just find something on your car that tells you that you're halfway. I can see on my dashboard that I'm halfway. So I'm going to flip this over. Now I'm going to go in the other direction. And then you're supposed to set a timer for 5 minutes. So even though I have to do the other side, I'm going to go ahead and look at my watch at 5 minutes, because I'll start wiping it on this side in 5 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to open up a new pouch for this side. So 2 per windshield, so you could get 2 windshields done with one of these boxes. So again, I'm going to start here on the edge. I'm going to start coming down like this. Go up and down first. I would avoid getting it on your paint. You could always wipe it off with a microfiber, but there's no point in overlapping your windshield to hit your paint. So I would just recommend keeping it off your paint. Now that I'm halfway, I'm going to start going the other way. By going in a crosshatch pattern, you're ensuring full coverage. Okay. All right, it's been 5 minutes since we stopped this first side. I got this microfiber towel that was provided. Just gonna start wiping it. Now I went ahead and turned my rag. I'm gonna go over it a second time. All right. Carry my ladder over. I'm gonna go ahead and flip my rag over. I've used these two sides. So now I'm gonna use these two sides to buff the other side. Cut. So I will say that it really comes off easy to apply, easy to take off. All right, so that's it. So I would guess that whole process easily took less than 15 minutes. So anyway, I'll put links in the description if you're interested in trying that out. And so I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for watching.